his review on how to use a Swiss Army knife. This is my sister Isaiah, my brother. Okay, so first there's 12 items. So this knife is a Swiss Army knife that's from Walmart for about $20. $19.99 plus tax. It has a cross on it with the Bible top. And well, here's the stuff to it. 1 second. Okay, here's the stuff. Now first, there is a thing that a Swiss Army knife always has. A knife. Now the knife can pop open, so whenever you get it, or if you already have it, you might have already known that. It pops open, cut your fingers, so you have to open it on something like a table before you open it all the way. So, now on the back of it, it has a little knife. You also want to pop that. It can pop open. Now, this is a knife that, just for cutting, I don't know, maybe scaling fish. But, the big knife that I showed you, that one was an officer using a knife. No, it's a... Okay. Now, this one's a Victorinox Swiss Blade Stantel. So this is the Swiss Blade, the big one. Now we're going here. I just found this out today. On YouTube, I found out today that, this, Swiss here has, oh wait. Yeah, I found out that these things here are for can openers and stuff. So, there's 12 items on here. The first one was the Swiss blade. Second one is that little blade that I showed you. The third item is this can opener. And, and the fourth item is the screwdriver at the end of it. See? Screwdriver at the end of it. Close that and you'll get this. I gotta close it. Okay. Now I'll get out this one, and this one's better at opening cans. And it has a little screwdriver at the top. So that's 6 items already on one side. Now the 7th item is this keychain here. Little keychain. 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the 7th item is this toothpick here. Toothpick on the side here. The 3rd one is tweezers. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 already. Now the last 2 are these. It's a cork opener. Yeah, a cork opener. And there's a little knife. It's very sharp. You can open it all the way and it won't pop. And the cork. So that's all the 12 items. But there's one secret thing I found out on YouTube today. It's a secret. If you look inside here, when you open this cork, on the inside here there's a little hole. You can see it. But you can't really see it on this. I wish I had my knife that had the magnifying glass. Try to see. You can see that hole inside it, see? You can see that hole here. See that hole here. On the inside. See that hole right there? Well, you can take a bobby pin, needle, and when you take that needle, you can put it inside that hole all the way. When you push it in all the way, you close it, and it'll fit. Bye.